Yandaminaka, or a very good morning to you. I'm Sai from Bula Boys Abroad. This morning, I'll be making a typical Fijian village breakfast. Fried bread, we call it BABAKAU. Okay, let's get started. In the village, if you have this, flour, sugar, yeast and oil, that's it, you're feeding the people. So every Fijian will give you a slightly different measurement. This is my own measurement I'm showing now. I normally put in 2 cups of flour. That's half. Alright, that's 2 cups of flour there. A little bit of sugar, a teaspoon of sugar. Now, some people use salt. I prefer sugar. And some yeast, maybe 3 teaspoon size of yeast. That goes into a lukewarm water, so it dissolves the yeast easy. Now once the yeast is dissolved properly, and then you can add it to your dry mixer. Then you mix it up until you form a dough. But if there's not enough water in there, if it's not enough of liquid in there, you add a bit of water. Just finished kneading my dough. It took me about 3 minutes. So put it back in the bowl and cover it with a clean tea towel and let it rise. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Nice and right. So what we do now, we spread some flour onto a clean surface, which I knead the flour before, and then it's time to roll out this body. I have to cut this into 2 because they're getting bigger. So what do? You just push them like that. So make sure there's flour at the bottom because you don't want the dough to stick on the tabletop, and then you roll it off. Okay. Looks like the oils are pretty hot now. Start putting in the dough. Yep. Now you can see it started to rise up now. So that's a good sign. It shows you that you're doing alright. So once you see the sides started to change the color to brown, and that's when you change it, you turn it over. Uh-oh. Okay, And put the last batch in. Right, masuk mantap, masuk. Turani bolo tasan isu isu limbuli kini anggar kini tabi. Wani kita yang pernah bayar 5 tahun lama. Jisu dengan Bula. Amen. Okay, this is for you, boy. Yeah, is it? That's the one. Is it nice? Yeah? Okay. That's it. That brings me back memory. My childhood memory. Don't judge me, I like my tea. Thanks very much for watching this short video of BABAKAU. If you try this at home, don't forget to tag us at Bula Boys Abroad, your creation of BABAKAU.
Blue.
Yeah boy, Bula Boys Abroad. For more video, please subscribe. God bless. Sawati.